Hello. In this video, we will provide a quick overview of the features added to BMC Helix Dashboards 23.1. BMC Helix Dashboards 23.1 provides new capabilities. Let's take a closer look at these enhancements. In this release, BMC Helix Dashboards supports Grafana 9.3. With this update, we offer an enhanced user experience for visualizing and analyzing data in dashboards. You can also use the Canvas plugin to see data in a static or dynamic layout. Our next enhancement is the ability to export and import multiple dashboards in bulk. Use BMC Helix Dashboards to export multiple dashboards in JSON format, and import them into a different environment. Next, let's look at a new advanced function. By using the percentage against total value advanced function, you can calculate the percentage of a field value against the total column value. We have also made several improvements in the report scheduler functionality. Now, schedule reports for the previous week, previous month, previous quarter, and so on. Also, the generated PDF file from the FTP server includes the date and timestamp to store multiple copies of the same report. And, as an administrator, you can manage the report schedules of other users in the tenant. Our next feature is about the improvements in the CrossTab Panel plugin. You can now set how many columns and rows you want to display in a CrossTab panel. You can also specify the color of the column and row header text in their background. In addition to PDF, while sharing a dashboard, you can now download dashboard panels in Excel and CSV formats. Use the new capabilities in the out-of-the-box dashboards to filter data in the Automation Console dashboard by scanned files and vulnerabilities. Filter data in the BMC Helix Portal Audit Dashboard by applications where the audit activities are performed. You can also select one or more options from this dashboard's filters. And, view the log volume in the Log Analytics Kubernetes and self-monitoring dashboards. Lastly, use the new out-of-the-box BMC Helix ITSM DevOps Metrics dashboard to monitor the closed and completed change requests that came from BMC Helix ITSM application. Look for detailed information about these enhancements in the BMC Helix Dashboards documentation at docs.bmc.com. To access the documentation, click the link in this video's description. Thank you for watching.